Good morning. Welcome to RLTW Strategies. Today is the 3rd of June. We're entering a new month, and let me give you an update on what happened on Friday. I hit max loss on my 50K combines that I was copy trading 5 accounts. Those are all closed until the rebill. I also traded 4 150K combines. I was up 628 in all 4 of them, and then I started losing and forcing trades, and I hit max loss on those. So we are digging ourselves out of the hole on those 4 combines. I also had a rebill today, so we have a total of 5 combines. Number 54 is the one that we were at 157, and man, Friday was such a good day if you shorted. And I shorted initially. I had a short bias, and then I just lost it, and it was devastating. So this is our only combine that we're close to hitting. If I do $4,000 today on a trade, then we'll be at 158 and almost to 9,000. We could actually do 45 and then make anyways. So I'm not concerned. I just want to make some profit. Today we're up $11. I did a trade a while back. Let's see, I'm monitoring 46 because it's a brand new combine. There it is, 1144. I traded 5 accounts and 2 contracts in each account. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 contracts, 5 accounts. We'll see how we do. Just gonna be patient, disciplined, and try to not get FOMO and not tilt. So news today, 9:45, market opens at 9. We got S&P Flash Manufacturing PMI, construction spending, ISM manufacturing at 10. So we got 2 reports at 10, one at 9:45. So between 9:45 and 10 is going to be huge, and then auto sales to be determined. Let's see, we have Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Amazon. Everything seems to be fairly just hanging out. So Palantir, we're at 2174, and then Google, we are at 172. I think Nvidia is supposed to do a 10-for-1 split. I don't know when that's coming in effect. We're watching the ES on the 30-minute, and we're 5 minutes from open, and I'm watching the NASDAQ. I'm in a short trade. I thought I was going to break after this red candle, but it reversed, so we're going to go ahead and close that out at a loss. Here's my oil. So we're down below this other level. I think we're going to come down to here. I went ahead and went into position, I think on this candle. Brought my price from here to here. Let's put an order here and start building up this account, and let's put another one here if we come down to this buy block. So that's what we're seeing on oil. Let's look at silver real quick. Silver seemed to be, here's silver. I could do an alert. Let's do an alert on silver and see what happens if we cross silver, and then let's see, let's do another alert. Let's do another alert here if we break out of this area. So anytime we get an alert on silver, we're going to come and take a look at silver and see what's going on. ES, we could gap down. We gap down to here. This could be a possibility. We could gap down to here. This seems like a buy area. We could bounce here. So it could be a huge possibility with the ES. Let's see. Let's put it intermediate level. Let's see if we come down to here, if we get an alert, and then we'll just watch it from there. So any of these alerts, let's look. All right, let's look. Oil, silver, ES, Apple's dropping, Microsoft's dropping. 3 minutes out, we could pop up to this level and reject down. So that's what I'm watching for. We're watching the 30-minute on the NASDAQ, and we'll watch it. Again, let's try to trade smart and disciplined, and we'll go from there. We have an inefficiency zone above on the NASDAQ. We have an inefficiency zone there and an inefficiency zone here that goes back to 12 February. If we come down, we might have touched it when we came down to this area, but we didn't stay there long. My next area that I think we're gonna hit is here, and I got this off the 4 hour. You can kind of see it, it's in this area right here. This is where it happened. Kind of touched the bottom of it on Thursday, and I think we have a resistance level here. We're moving up. We have 3,000 contracts going up right now. We have 1 minute, 20 seconds. Nvidia's going up, Amazon's going up, Apple's going up. Microsoft is the only one not going up. So let's see what happens. 2 seconds. Again, we got a 4 hour resistance level up here. If we come up and hit it, then we have the inefficiency level. If we break this trend, I'm probably gonna go short. I just need to be patient. Watch the 5 minute. Come down and bounce. It is Monday. Mondays are always a terrible day to trade. Order bought, executed. CL dropped, huge. Okay, there we go. Do we bounce here? Do we bounce or blow through? We got Apple going up, Nvidia coming down. That was a good bounce. Let's see if it's going to retest and go back up. Got that trend line we're watching as well. We could totally bounce here. Crossing trend line. Silver's crossing the trend line. Came down and touched. Apple's at 193. Could reverse in this area. Microsoft's coming down. Apple's coming down. I don't know if Apple's going to continue going down. If we're going to pop up to grab a liquidity before coming back down. That was a good buy candle for, see what happens here. See if we blow through. All right, let's do a trade. Let's do a trade. Let's do a stop. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. Good trade, man. I want to hold it. It's a good trade. Got it off the top. Might stop me out just because I had my stop so low. But we did 490 on this trade. That is good for today. I don't really want to fight, but we called it, man. Reversal. I tested it. I had my stop above it. We dropped. Microsoft's coming down. Amazon's coming down. Let's see if we get a retest. Let's see if we hit this thing again. Get a bunch of liquidity. Got an indecisive candle on the 30 minute. Let's look at the 15 real quick. Indecisive on the 15, indecisive on the 5. So that's an area. Let's look at silver again. Silver is below the trend line. We could bounce here on silver. Silver broke the trend. We could bounce here and go up. Oil could bounce. We're gonna go back and retest. If we can't break, Microsoft is dropping, Amazon's dropping.
Failed.
Going for another short. Let's ride this down. Let's ride this down. Man.
Upfield.
634. You hit that short. It's only $75, but we're up 634 times 5 accounts. That's good. Still have all day. We could bounce here. Still early. This candle could be a buy candle to come back to hit the double top. We got Nvidia at 1140 right now. We got Apple screaming up to 193.40. Amazon 177.8. We got Microsoft turning around with a slight green candle. Let's see what it does back up here at this level again. It could come back and retest. If we can't break this high, this will be the 4 hour. It was a hard rejection. We got to break this candle wick on the 5 minute. We're up 132 points. I just don't know if we're going to go. Now we're hitting stops. Looks like we're hitting stops. All right, so we broke the wick. It is a zone on the right screen. We're in a zone. We're retesting. I could have entered again. Gave me an opportunity to enter again. I don't think it's going to continue going up. We got Apple dropping down. Amazon's at 178. Google popped up. I mean, the 5 minutes seems pretty good. I just think it's very heavy up here for some reason. Here's my short bias. We're above the EMA. We're above the VWAP. Microsoft just has a red candle on the 3 minute. It's not closed yet. Nvidia has a red candle on the 3 minute. Amazon just turned red. Apple may be going up. Oh yeah, we got data at 9:45. Let's not flash USM, US manufacturing PMI at 9:45, and then we have data at 10. So let's just wait. Let's just wait and see what happens during that data release. All right, we got four minutes. All right, 2 minutes, 1 minute. We have a pop up. We could drop just as fast as we popped up. We're coming up to that inefficiency zone. We may reject up here. I'm gonna add 2 more at this level. Man, we're down 1,000. That was a $1,000 move right there, from 726 all the way up there. Let's see if it drops. Oh, we still got. Oh my God, man! Look at that drop. Come on, pop back up. Is it grabbing liquidity? I feel like it's gonna shake people out. Nvidia's dropping. Man, I wish I would have got in up there. Damn. Oh, is it my chance? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's see. Let's see if it goes all the way down to the. Boom! It's released. Nvidia coming down. Maybe Apple's going up. Nvidia's basing out. It's below the VWAP. Apple's at 193.80. ES hasn't really moved. I'm gonna go move to the 5 minute on the ES. See what we do. See what we do. Looks like silver's gonna drop again. We're at its high. Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon. Everything's going up. We could reject up here. Looking for a red candle. We're coming down pretty hard on the ES. We could bounce off the point of control. How many minutes? I got 1.5 minutes left on this candle. The half hour looks pretty good, but we got this strong rejection up here at this inefficiency zone. The ES dropping, Amazon dropping, Microsoft's dropping. Man, CL's at 75. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's go ahead and add 20. Let's add 30 on this right here. We're in 50 contracts. We could bounce here, but I think we're dropping.
Filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Filled. Filled.
Damn.
Filled.
What is it going to do? What is it going to do?
Filled. Stop filled.
So here I am. I had a short thesis at that top of that red candle. I entered 1, 2, 3 times short positions, 2 contracts, and the price ended up going without me because of the way I trade with my stops. Still bullish. I mean, the candle's still bullish on the breaking through the EMA. We could pop up. We could pop up and reject up here.
Filled.
That was a good trade. That was a good trade. Let's ride this down, see how far down we could go. I think we could come all the way down to here, right here. Man, I was on it today. Just 2 contracts. We could bounce here. Nvidia's dropping hard. I want to move my stop. Woo!
Upfield.
All right, that was good. 1600 today. It is 9:52. I traded for 20 minutes. 163.1 times 5. 8,155. About I'm gonna say today's a win. I just want to work on keeping my profits. So let's see where we're at on that one account. 54. We're back at 155. I'll be chasing all day if I keep trading. I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna stop there. So we made 20 minutes, 12 minutes of trading. I traded 5 combines, 1631 each, and we're gonna call it a day. Stay disciplined, stay safe. If you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe. I try to post videos every day. Man, Friday was just terrible. It's very disappointing, but let's focus on small wins and build it brick by brick. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.